Changzhou Hanko Electronics Co Ltd. Was established in 2001, located in Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province, near to Shanghai City, specializing in the development, production, marketing of LED garden lights. Our products are widely recognized as high quality, fashionable, and creative, designed by the customers worldwide. Our main markets are North America, West Europe, and Australia. From the early beginning of our company, we keep on focusing on product design, quality control, and fast reaction service. You can find our creative products in many DIY stores, or chain stores, or garden centers, such as Costco, the Home Depot, Target Store, Rona, Sainsbury, Kingfisher, Rue, Denner, Bauhaus, adding the ambient atmosphere to people's outdoor garden life. Our company keep on technique investing and research and own a lot of patents in China, which makes us different, leading the trend of decorative LED garden lights. Over the past years of production and management and exploration, Hanko sets up its own quality management system. All of our products are produced in accordance with ISO 9001, CE, RoHS, REACH, and other relative standards of BSCI. The principle what Hanko persists in is quality, service, responsibility. Quality. We only produce good quality products. Service. Sincerity and speed. Responsibility. We hold responsibility for our products and our customers.